Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about finding one's own level. It is also important that each person is considered individually, as we all have different methods and capacities for coping with stress, and some people can function normally under greater stress levels than others. Stress can be simply defined by the formula. Stress equals number of stressful situations and ability to cope. Hence, in order to reduce stress, we can either reduce the number of stressful situations by changing our lifestyle, or increase our ability to cope through techniques such as yoga, and often an element of each is necessary. Each individual lies under varying levels of stress according to his external situation and his ability to cope. Hence, Yoga Nidra training should not emphasize that everyone should produce exactly the same results on the biofeedback equipment. It is sufficient that each trainee learns to induce positive changes in the right direction. From there, he will evolve and find his own level through daily practice.